Hi, I'm Chris, a static equipment technician here at the refinery. Today, I'll share what my job involves, especially during our critical shutdown periods. Static equipment in our plant includes pressure vessels, heat exchangers, storage tanks, distillation columns, reactors, separators, absorbers, scrubbers, fin fan coolers, and accumulators. Unlike rotating equipment, these don't have moving parts but are crucial for the process flow. During a shutdown, our main task is to inspect and maintain these units to prevent any operational failures. It's a job that requires precision and an eye for detail. Safety is our #1 rule. Before any maintenance, we perform a complete de-energization and isolation of equipment. We use lockout-tagout systems to ensure that equipment remains inoperable while we work on it. We also strictly adhere to personal protective equipment protocols. This means wearing hard hats, safety goggles, gloves, and sometimes even fire-resistant suits to protect against the heat and potential chemical splashes. Our inspections often involve checking for corrosion, cracks, or any signs of wear and tear. We use various non-destructive testing techniques to evaluate the integrity of the equipment. Once everything is checked and any necessary repairs are made, we ensure all systems are back to their optimal functioning before wrapping up the shutdown. This job keeps the plant running safely and efficiently. Every check we perform is vital for the overall success of our operations. Safety and precision at every turn. Thank you.